Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to get out the fall decor. I will be unboxing my decor as well as cleaning and decorating my dining room. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I share budget-friendly DIYs and decor for your home. If that interests you, please hit the subscribe button. Now let's get to the unboxing. So this wreath here is a wreath I actually made last year, and I do have a YouTube video explaining how I made it, so I will leave it linked below for you. And I also have this, which got really dirty painting outside, but it was a fall sign and the letters came off. So I did save the letters, so I'm going to put them back on, but I also have a video for this as well, and I will also link that below. So let's see what's in the first bin. Tablecloth, but I don't really know why I have that. Okay, I'm going to fix you guys so you can see better. So I have these two little, what are these things? What are these things called, babe? There's a certain kind of bird, I can't think. Pheasants. Two pheasants. These are from Pier 1 that I got a few years ago. Here are the fall letters that go on that sign that I just showed you. And again, I will be re-gluing them and putting them on. A mug, Thanksgiving mug. It says, enter his gates with thanksgiving, go into his courts with praise. Psalm 100, verse 4. My pumpkin spice and everything nice mug, which was new to me last year. Have some table linens, or actually towels. I think these are all towels. And I have these plates, which I made last year, so I will link the video below. These were one of the DIYs. There's 3 different plates. But the plate rack holder that I used to have on my wall, I don't have there anymore. So I don't know what I'm going to do with these. Maybe I'll put them in my hutch, because I didn't have a hutch last year either. Well, I guess you'll just have to stay tuned and see what I use these for. But I have some, whoops, little pumpkin. I have some towels. I use my decorative towels when I'm packing for seasonal stuff to protect breakables like the plates. I have several towels in here. I have this little leaf dish. Lots of these little pumpkins. These were all from the Target Dollar Spot last year. And I actually haven't hit up the Target Dollar Spot yet this year, so I'm excited to see what they have. Another towel and some more pumpkins. Again, these are all from the Target Dollar Spot from last year. Some floral pumpkin vines that I will be using. And a few pieces of these different greeneries. I'm not sure where I got these from. I don't know if they were from the Dollar Tree. I don't think this was from the Dollar Tree, so I'm assuming these were probably from a craft store. Some more pumpkins. These ones are like plastic pumpkins. These are probably from the Dollar Tree from last year. These are little cups, pilgrim cups that I used on the kids' table for Thanksgiving last year. And some other extra plates and napkins from last year's Thanksgiving. A couple hot plates that are fall themed. Some more napkins. My little scarecrows, I always love to put these on my windowsill in the kitchen. Some leaf vines. This this little Hello Fall sign, which was also from the Target Dollar Spot. I don't think it was last year. I think it was the year before. It just says Hello Fall. This little gratitude sign, I don't remember where that's from. And a lot more of the ceramic pumpkins. And some more of the plastic pumpkins. Oops. These were probably either from a bag of pumpkins or from the Dollar Tree. I wish I could remember. I'm sorry, I can't remember. Some more white sunflowers, some pine cones, lots of leaves and berries. My Perfectly Pumpkin Room Spray, which is from Lemongrass. And some more pumpkins. Wow, I've got a lot of pumpkins here. Another pumpkin, a couple pine cones, some more leaves. I don't know why they're just free. They're supposed to be in a bag, but I must not have threw them in a bag last year. So that's box number 1. I'm going to pause to stick it back in here just so I can move it out of the way and we can look at what's in bin number 2. Now I want to make mention that I am participating in a fall unboxing and decorate with me collab that is being hosted by Ms Cheryls Place, iStyle Design, and Everyday Living with Karen Jeter. So I will have a link to a playlist down below if you want to see other people's unboxing and decorating videos.
Just as a little tip, I use a magic eraser to get my white table clean because there are always marks that I can't get out just using regular cleaning spray. Now that everything's clean, we can begin decorating. To start, I'm using 2 plates and just standing them up in the back of the top, and then I'm going to add this plant that is in a terracotta pot. I'm going to use this little, I think it's a candle stand, and I just put a small wreath form and a pumpkin in it. I kind of liked it. I did switch it back and forth a couple times, but at the end I ended up keeping it this way. I'm just taking one of the pheasants that I got from Pier 1 and putting it on this side of the shelf. And I did find a use for one of the plates that I made. I'm hoping to find uses for the other 2. And again, another little candle stand just to give some height to one of the pumpkins. And I liked how these 3 pumpkins kind of match and coordinate with the little plate that I have in the back. And then I'm going to put the other pheasant on the opposite side. I kind of want it to go from height, 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 and then I'm going to do pumpkin, 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 kind of in like a zigzag pattern to keep it balanced. And then I took my glass pumpkin and stuck it in this side. And I have this little green wreath, and I thought it would be nice to add some greenery to the bottom. I have these 3 mercury glass votive holders, and I really like using them in my dining room for the fall. So you'll see me just kind of playing around with a few different ideas. I didn't like having the 3 there, so then I decided to try 1 on each shelf, and I really did not like the way that looked. Ultimately, I decided to just keep 1 on the bottom, and you'll see how I use the other 2 on the table. Now for the top of the hutch, I just decided to reuse the same green swag that I had up there before, and I thought I might like this cotton stem pick, but I didn't like it, so you'll see I ended up just scratching that idea and leaving the greenery. This plant holder on my other wall in my dining room was also a DIY, a dollar store DIY, so I will leave a link to that below. But to change this up for fall, I just added some fall sprigs to it with some browns and creams. And it was super simple to transform this, and I plan to keep it up and just change it seasonally. What I came up with for a very simple fall tablescape. I just took my burlap runner and 3 tiger, I think they're called tiger stripe pumpkins. I got them in a bag from the produce section at Walmart. I used the 2 candles that I didn't get to use in my hutch, and this is just some foliage from a bush outside my house. It's super simple. I will probably change this up a few times throughout the fall season, but I just like how simple it was. It was quick and easy. Here is the finished tour of my dining room, all decorated for fall. If you guys like this kind of video, please give it a thumbs up. Again, if you're interested in decorating and DIY videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I appreciate you guys watching, and check out these other fall videos if you need some inspiration.